Stop it.
What you mean, stop it?
All right. Well.
What you mean, bro?
Start it?
Nah, don't start it.
All right. Y'all can start it.
Let me know.
This is what happens when you lose a bet to your children.
Your butt's up, man.
Oh!
Your butt's up. Your butt's up.
My phone died.
Well, he can send it to you.
Yeah, about that. Man, you know that water dirty? Let's see that face. Show that face.
What's the time of that?
Yeah, boy.
All right.